Okay, so let's start our second part about your paint. We need to go back again your search engine and we need to search over here paint application. Okay, now let's go search over here paint. Okay, right now I'm inside of the paint. Now second thing, we already done our file tab. I would you like to suggest those who not watch that video, we watch that video because it's important. Now after later we have to the edit option that is called copy paste cut paste, that is we already know, like if suppose if you want to be a copy something from internet, you can copy also and you can paste also again back. If you want to cut for something, so you can cut also and paste also. I would you like to discuss over this copy paste and cut paste option very simple way. See over here, I'm going inside of the notepad. Okay, I'm searching over here notepad. Let me search over here. Now simply, suppose I'm writing over here my name, Rohit. Okay, now simply, if suppose I'm selecting this, I'm going to edit option and I'm using right now copy. Okay, so means what happened? This particular one letter I copy inside my clipboard and I'm going to the down and I'm using to the edit and paste option. Means what? Whatever I have over here that I copied and after that I paste it to the down. Okay, so I can paste how many times I want. I can go to the edit and I can paste. And right now, suppose this is one, two, three. Suppose one Rohit, second Rohit, and the third Rohit we have. Right now, what happened? We are trying to the cut paste option. So what I'm doing right now, I'm selecting this Rohit 2. I am going in edit and after saying I'm cut. Cut means what? Whatever I have this name over here that I am permanently cutting from that position and after that I'm pasting to the somewhere else. So that is exactly the difference between cut paste and the copy paste. Simply copy paste means what? As it is you are copying that letter and you are pasting to the somewhere else. But the cut paste means what? A existing letter are cutting from their original position and pasting to the somewhere else. That is exactly the difference between. And same that difference between is applicable for over here. After later we have to the view options. If you want to zoom, if you want to use ruler, if you want to use to the grid lines, these are the options are available for the view purpose. Okay. Now after we have to the option, this is your quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar means what? Simply, I said that quick access toolbar we are using if we want to be a quicker option. I said that if you want to save this file, what happened? We need to go to the file after letter save option. But rather than I can see over here the quicker option. After I can done something, you can save frequently. After you are done something, you can save frequently. After if you want to send, you can send also. Means share option we have. And over here, very very important options we have. That is called one is the undo and another is the redo. Undo means what? One step back and redo means what? One step forward. Simply, let me give to the example over here. I am going over here and selecting this pencil. Okay. Let me increase the size of my pencil over here. If you want to be increase the size of your pencil or your rubber not, we can say as a eraser. Okay, eraser size if you want to be increased, we can increase from over here also. Suppose I want to be write something and I did the mistake, so what I can do, I can go over here. We have the undo option are present. We can click and you can see, is it going again back to the back, right? After later we have to the undo option over here. Undo means what? One step forward, one step back, back step and forward, back step and forward. So this is the use of this icon, and these icons we are using mostly. Okay, and apart from we have to the eraser also, that we can use to the eraser also, but I am suggesting this option is very useful in your life, undo and redo. If you are the programmer, if you are the good designer, this option using useful for you. Okay, now after letter down surface. Okay, let me go to the undo again back. Right now I have the blank screen. Now over here we have to the selection option. For this selection option purpose, let me go to the Chrome browser and let me bring something image. Okay, I'm going in the my Google Chrome. Okay, let me choose to the one particular account. And right now over here I'm searching. I want to be search a car. Okay, car image. I want to be a search. I'm going in the image section. Okay, and let me took any car. Okay, which car is best? Oh my God, there are a lot of cars are present. Okay, so let me take from over here. Right click. After later, I want to do to the copy image. Okay, I copied image from my internet right now. I am going again back to my painting. Right click over here. Okay, do one thing. You can go to the over here edit and after later go to the paste. Okay, so I pasted that image. Okay, I know it's not HD image because this is we took from internet. If you want HD image, you can search on online. I want HD image, then it will be coming to the HD image only. Okay, so this is we have our over here our painting. Now we are going to the inside of the selection tab. Okay, selection we are going, selection group we are going, and I want to be a draw something rectangle. So I'm taking to the rectangle, and you can see what happened right now. Rectangle is made it right now. I'm moving that. You can see it's a cut image that much only. Why it's a rectangle? Because we choose an option. I want to be a rectangle, sir. Then we have another option, something like I want to be a cut properly this image. Yes, guys, we have over here option that is called free form. Okay, let me do that. I'm going to do again undo. Right now, image is properly stuck again back. Drop down menu. Over here, we have to the option freeform. Okay, let me click over here. Right now, start to draw properly, layout. I think so in Photoshop or anywhere you already saw this option, right? So let me draw it properly. Okay, perfect. I know it's not properly cut, but you can see I already cut that image. So there, that is way also you can cut your image. Okay, so these options are available. We have all select means what your all image will be selected and it will be you can able to move. Okay, so these option we have to available. I right now I want to delete that. See right now there is no anymore image are here. Okay. Now after letter we have to the crop options also there. Means suppose simply I want to say I already copied that image. Let me say directly paste. Okay, this is image I have. Okay, this image I have. Right now what happened, we are going over here and we are selecting something. Suppose I want to select only this tire. Okay, I selected that and I want to say crop. You can see only tire is remaining. So that is also option we have. Means what? Whatever the crop option means what you selected, that only we can able to see. Apart from everything will be a cut. Now let's go to the undo again back, undo back step. Okay. Now after later, if you can take again back to your email, again back to your that particular card, you can see. Let me paste. Okay, I took again back that car. Let me take over here. Right now, if you want to be flip that, you can see you can able to rotate also. See, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. So you can rotate. You can able to rotate a 90 degree. You can able to rotate a right 90 degree. You can able to rotate a left 90 degree and 80 degree also, 180 degree also. Okay, so there we have to the different options are available. Even if you want to be a flip means a vertically, horizontally, so we can able to flip also. I would you like to suggest that use this option properly, so then you can able to understand. After letter, we have to the over here option that is called resizer. Resizer means if you want to be a change your size, anything your picture, we can able to use that. Okay. Now after letter, we have the option over here draw. If you can take to the pencil. Okay. If suppose I'm taking to the pencil and I want to draw. See, let me do the undo. This is my plain paper. I took the pencil and you can see I can able to write. So this is when I'm taking to the pencil. If you want to be increase the size of your pencil means a nib size, so you can able to increase the nib size also. See, right now my size is different. Even in that particular pencil, if you want to choose to the color, you can go to the color section and after that you can able to the change to the color also. See, I'm changing to the color. First color always indicated to the color of your pencil and second color is the like a we have to the two types of colors are available. One is the primary color and another is the secondary color. Primary color always are useful when you are using a mouse left click. Okay, and your right again your white color means secondary color is useful when you are using to the left click. See, right now I'm using left click. So what happens? Simply these two colors are present over here. Main color is your first color number one. Okay, this is your primary color. So primary color we are using when we are using to the left click, and the secondary color we will use when we are using to the right click. Okay, so that exactly the concept we have. Now after later, you can see this is we have to the fill color. Fill means what? It's think about that this is one kind of bucket. Okay, and in that bucket you have a lot of colors. Means you have to the that bucket is already full fill with the